everyone, my name's Christy. Welcome to my corner. Thanks so much for joining me today for this Flosstube Extra where I do an unboxing of the March 2021 Stitchybox Stash Delights box. So I have just opened it, but I haven't looked in it at all. And it comes with a letter, but I'm not going to read the whole thing. I'm just going to read the beginning because I end up reading the whole thing and then I get spoiled. So this month we're focusing on the gentle colors of the upcoming spring season with a small emphasis on one of my favorite flowers, lavender. Nice. I like lavender. So I'm going to stop reading there because it always spoils. It gives me way too much information. It always comes with, in sort of this purple paper. I feel like she clearly likes lavender and purple. And I'm kind of excited for April, which is my last box, because we got an email a couple weeks ago asking us to choose between bees and butterflies. And she was like, and don't bother asking, I'm not going to tell you why. So I chose bees. If any of you are getting the April box and chose butterflies, let me know because I want to see when that comes out, what's happening. Anyway, March. So let's see what we have here. So we pull this off and we get fun things. Okay, so first of all, I see cookies. Blueberry lemon biscotti. As an Italian American, love me some biscotti. So that's delightful. That is like breakfast tomorrow. And then there's always some little goodies in the bag, but I think this is the Flosses. Yes, so this is the Flosses. So let's see what we have. But this is a pretty bag and it goes, I don't know if you can kind of see right there. That's where I'm storing my silk sari bags, which are lovely. So what do we have here? Ooh, very nice. 2 flower silks this month. So, sorry, I'm not paying attention to you. The flower silks this month are Harmony, which is a special edition. And it is, yeah, like a minty green color. Very light and soft. It's lovely. The other flower silk is called Lavender Fields, which makes sense considering. And this is what that looks like, which is also beautiful. It has like purples and kind of lavenders, some pinks, greens, whites. So I think that's really beautiful. Those are my 2 flower silks. And then we have a Stitchy Silk by Stitchybox, which is a pink. There, and that's called Cherry Blossom. And then there are 2 cottons. There is a Gentle Art sampler thread called Spring Flowers, and this is a Stitchybox exclusive. And it, yeah, I mean, that's pretty much what it is. It's sort of like a pinky beige, which is very pretty. It almost looks like dried pink rose petals. That's kind of the vibe I'm getting from this. And then the other color is a Classic Colorworks Spun Sugar, which is just a very soft pink. There we go. Very soft pink. So it looks like we got 5 flosses this month. 3 silks and 2 cottons. So that's them all together. I really like that minty green actually. And it would have felt too, I don't know, too twee. It would have felt too like baby without that mint and without these 2. It would have been too sort of, I don't know, not my style. But all together they're great. And I think they'll be fun to play around with. So those are the flosses. We have a little extra, which is a lavender goat milk soap. I won't take it out, but it definitely smells lavendery. So that's lovely. And then a little, very cute, more goodies inside. Oh, that's pretty. All right, so what we have are, it looks like handmade paper with flowers in it. This is so much nicer than the handmade paper with flowers in it that I made. This is like actually this is actually mixed in, which is what? What do you mean? The flowers don't just float on top and then pick out? I don't understand. So it's 2 pretty hearts and they smell like flowers. So that's beautiful. There is it looks like a wooden something to like mount a small piece in, plus some hand dyed silk ribbon. 30 inches of silk ribbon. So that's beautiful. That's beautiful. And then, and 2 charts this month. One of which I can't show you because it doesn't have a actual picture. This is the bonus chart, and it's a cute umbrella and a rubber ducky, but I can't show you because it's the chart. And then we got a hedgehog house by Lindy Stitches, so that's cute. So that's the box for this month. Some biscotti, 2 patterns. I do think that this is for mounting like a small stitch and using it as like a necklace or whatever. So that's what I plan on using that for. The silk is beautiful. The paper is adorable. And she says that you can use this for like gift tags and stuff, which would be a good way to use my paper that I made. That's not quite as nice. And then the soap. And 5 flosses. And a beautiful bag. So that is my Stitchybox Stash Delights box for March of 2021. Tell me what you think. Basically, the patterns I'm kind of saving for giveaways later on in the year. So I'm probably not going to stitch them. They're not really my style, I have to be honest. But that's okay because they will be someone else's style and I will do giveaways and that'll be fun. The flosses, the silks, and the cottons are beautiful and I will absolutely use them and I will add them to my stash. Although, I'm inundated with pinks these days, so I need to, well, I don't buy fancy flosses individually unless like I'm in the middle of a project. I usually like do subscriptions. So we'll see what I keep getting and then eventually I'll probably have to stop that and just use it. I should probably use it up. I hope you enjoyed this. Here is sort of a recap. Here's all the goodies. And tell me what you think. I'm going to enjoy those biscotti though. So that's it from me for today. It's a short one. I'll see you on Friday for my Flosstube. And I hope that you have a wonderful week. So with all that being said, please take good care of yourselves and have a good one. Bye.